Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. This is Nextzett's Colortec Wheel Cleaner. 16 ounces or 500 milliliters for $18. This is one that you spray on and you can watch the color change to bright red as it starts to have a reaction with the particulates from the brake system, ferrous metals. Free of harsh acids, so it can be used on chrome wheels, aluminum, painted, non-painted. So we have wheels on an F-150 that are chrome plated over plastic. And they've seen their better days. So we're going to test the Nextzett cleaner. We'll spray it on, and I'll edit the video to speed up a little bit. We'll see if there's a color change within the next 3 to 4 minutes after spraying it on. It does go on rather thick, so it's not quite as thick as a gel, but it's thick enough to dwell on the side of the wheel. It doesn't just run off. I have also curbed my enthusiasm, so to speak, a little bit, as I saw it was safe on waxes, sealants, and coatings. And it's safe for wax. How aggressive can it be? Well, we'll find out. As you can see here, it's thick enough to stick on the side of the wheel and let it sit for a bit. So I'm going to speed up the camera, and we should see a color change right here. And I really don't see any change within 4 minutes. So a little disappointing there. We come in closer, and we can see it's starting to dry a little bit. Some areas turning purple. What I'm thinking is the particulates from the brake system, the ferrous metals, they have a hard time burrowing into chrome. So maybe we will try a different wheel that has a painted or a cleared surface where the ferrous metal embeds itself into it, and we should see a real bright color change. But let me rinse, and let's see how well it cleaned the wheel. And I do need to take some time here watching the video and straighten out my nozzle. Has a leak. I'll take care of that after the wheels are done. Yeah, not quite the aggression you would look for on a vehicle that's a daily driver and doesn't get looked after. Maybe on something that's well taken care of, where there's protection on the wheel, this would be something that would work. I'm not sure. Let's try this wheel. Again, it's cleared and hasn't been taken care of. So there are a ton of ferrous metals embedded into the wheel. We should see a bright red color, right? What do you guys think down in the comment section? And once again, for the sake of the length of the video, I'll speed things up right here. So just in a few seconds, we'll see 4 minutes go by. And right about now, we should be seeing it turn a bright red. So it's not quite living up to what I had expected. We come in closer. We see some areas as it's starting to dry. Yeah, a little purple, but not as aggressive as I'd like it to be. And it did not break down quite as much of the baked on brake dust as I would have liked it to. Let's go back to the chrome wheel, spray it once again, and then agitate with the detail brush. Rinse thoroughly, and this thing should be gleaming bright chrome and perfectly clean. Am I expecting too much? Let me know down in the comments section. Again, a little bit disappointed. Well, I have determined to get them clean for the customer, so I went with something that I know works. So the Furies from Phoenix EOD, and there are many others that we recently reviewed that do take care of a wheel like this. As you can see here, everything is squeaky clean, a nice, bright, shiny looking chrome wheel. And I know it's rather subjective. For me, this just does not hit the spot, and for a rating on the channel, it would be a 3 out of 10.